Hello, welcome to this tutorial. This is a masterclass for blogger. In this tutorial, which will be about 1 hour long, we will explore everything that is there in the blogger. The first thing is how to create a blog. Over here, once you log on to the blogger, once you sign up and log on the left hand side, just beneath the logo, you see a drop down. Click on it. Click on new blog and give your blog a title. This can be anything you want. Click on next. Then you go ahead and put the title for the blog. Okay. For example, here let's create something. I will say new blog. Amazing titles. Click on next. Over here, this is the address that will identify your blog. So I will just say title.blogspot.com. It is not available. I will just say title blog, and it says it is not available. Let's try title blogger, and even that is not available. Titles blogger. Let's see this, and this is available. So over here you see that this will be the address for your blog. Once you choose the address, it cannot be changed. So ensure that this is there. So let's copy this name and just let's ask ChatGPT how this title is. So let's go with some of the suggestions. Let's go with smart blog titles. Smart blog titles. This is the address. Click on save, and we have the page which is ready. Now that the blog is ready, you can click on view the blog, and it will open up in a new tab. This is how your blog theme looks. On the left hand side we have the menu, and on the right hand side we have the search feature which will search the blog. Now the next thing to do is click on stats. The stats is where your total number of followers appear, the number of posts appear here, and the comments appear here. So at the moment there are no stats available for the blog views because we just created it. You can check the stats for last 24 hours, now, last 3 months, and last 12 months, or all the time. When you go to the bottom, you have manage tracking your page views. Click on it and ensure that you put a check mark to don't track my views for this blog. What this setting does is it will not count your own views when you visit the blog. It won't count the views that are coming from your IP address. Next thing is comments. This is where the comments appear. Next is earnings. Earnings is when you go ahead and connect this blog to the AdSense account. You will go ahead and earn some money, that is with the AdSense. Then you have pages. Here you create pages for your blog. For example, I will go ahead and create a page. This will be art. This will be about us. And over here, I will say write a short description for smart title. So over here, I will copy this and I will paste this here. So when you are going ahead and doing this, you can either view the HTML or you can view the compose view. The compose view is where you can manually put stress on some things. For example, you get this big editor. We are bolding the text and we can increase the font width as well. This is currently a paragraph. You can make it bigger or smaller. So here I will make this subheading, and over here you can see that it is SEO friendly now. Now you can also add some images if you want. So over here I will show you how to create an image easily. Open Canva. In this course you are learning a lot from me. You are also learning how to create images. Canva is a free software that will help you to create an image for your blog or a graphic for your blog. Over here I will just click this magic icon. So you can go ahead and see what it makes or cooks. We'll wait for a while and just preparing the images for us now. So over here I like this one, so I will go ahead and use this one. I will download this and I will rename this. So now what you can do is you can go ahead and put this image. To insert the image, click on the image icon, click on upload from computer, browse to the folder where you have saved it. In this case I have saved it under downloads. So I go to downloads and upload the image. I will make this extra large. Over here I will publish it, and that's our page. Now if I view the page, it will look something like this. The first thing is I want to show you how to customize the layout. The layout is theme specific. This theme has all these layouts. For example, there is a sidebar. that opens from the left hand side when you are on the main page. As you can see, it opens from the left hand side. You can add things to it. For example, I will click add a gadget and I will just put this one. So AdSense is not there. I will just see what we have. I will put block stats over here and I want this layout. I will click on save, and once I reload, I will see that counter appear. It says 0 views, 0 page views. That is how you add a counter. The next thing is theme. Many themes are available for the blogger. Now we will search for different themes. Before that, I will also want to make a logo. Now turn this into a logo. This is Canva, guys. So when you have generated an image, you can also make it a logo. I will show you how to update the logo now. I will choose the template. Before that, make a logo for smart blog titles, which is minimal and modern. MINIMAL. I asked it to make a logo for this particular web page. What we can do is we can just click here and let's click on design for me, and I will click logo here, and I will ask it to make a logo for smart blog titles. Immediately what it does is it starts making the logo. At the moment we are seeing this, that is the title, but over here we have the logos which are done. I like this one, so I will download this. I will use this in editor, and I will just click on this icon over here. I will click on download and download. Now what I could do is I could go to layout and change the logo, but this particular theme doesn't have the layout added to it. So what we can do is we can add a custom gadget to do it, but that is beyond the scope of this video. Let's close this. Now I will show you how to customize your own theme. To do that, I want you to visit Google and I want you to type blogspot templates. Once you do that, you see a lot of things. The first one is blogger templates. The second one is BP templates. And the third one is copy blogger themes. Let's take a look at all the three and get a template. As you can see, there are a lot of templates that are available. You can use any of these. Over here, we have a template. I like SEO Flex. Let's try to get this. You click on it and you click on download to download the template. What that will do is it will download the template. Go ahead and right click on the file that you downloaded. Click on extract all and extract the template. That will give you this particular file. Inside this file, what we are looking at is the XML file. The XML file itself is what we need now. So what we do is we go to the site, again back to the site, we go to customize and we say restore and upload the template. Over here we have a SEO Flex and we upload that template. Now it says restored. Now if we check the view of the blog, it will be completely different. As you can see, this is the template and this is how it looks. Now, how to customize this? Customizing this is very easy. I will show you how. You can go back to the layout and now we can add the logo. Over here, this particular theme supports header logo. So you click on the pencil icon and you say upload image from computer, choose the file and from the downloads you choose the logo that you want and then you click on save. Once that is done, if I refresh, now we have our own logo. Now to the menu customizations, I will show you how to customize the menu. This is the header menu link list. Here we have all these things. We have shortcodes, typography, blogger, features and home. I don't want each and everything over here, so I will click on delete one by one. What that will do is it will delete everything. Next thing that I want to add is the page itself that we created. If we go here, I will save this first, then I will go to pages and I will copy the about us page. Then I will come back to layout and I will go to the link list and here I will say add an item and I will paste the about us page. This is how you configure the link list, which is nothing but a menu at the moment. Now if I reload, we will have home and about us. If I click on it, it will show the about us page as well. Isn't that nice? Looks very good. Let's go back to home. The next thing that I will show you is how to set the featured post. At the moment, we don't have any label for the featured post. So here we should get it if we have any posts that are featured. So now I will show you a few more things. For example, these are the things that are already added. Um, let's close some of these tabs. I will show you how to customize these. On the right hand side, you have link list. This link list is how to add your socials. You can add the socials or you can completely remove it. It's up to you. Then you have popular articles. I want to remove them. Now we have MailChimp, that is where we get the mails. Okay, I don't want that. I don't want ads as well. I will remove it. Name tags, I will let it stay. Total page views, I'll let it there. So now if I reload the page, you see that we have the pages as well. Search this blog. I want to remove this. AdSense, I want to remove. Attribution, I'll let it stay. Blog archive, I will let it be there. Pages, I will remove because we have a new navigation bar. I will remove the about me. I will remove the featured post, and that is our customization. I'm okay with this. Let me reload. Now we have these things that are there. At the bottom we have about us. We can change this to something that we want. We'll take it from here and put it, and I will save it, and I will link this to the home page. Now followers is again the socials that we have. We can delete all of these or we can let them be there. Okay, so we also have the footer menu, which is nothing but our pages. I will also mimic this to our default behavior, which is I will only have the home and the bot. So this is how you edit, guys. You just go to the site idea and save it and save it. Now we have the top menu and bottom menu are both same. Now I will show you how to edit the logo for the footer area. Put the same logo over there and click on save. What that will do is it will save the logo that we have, and it will change SEO Flex to smart blog titles. Okay, that's nice. Now to the home where we can post some things. Now to do this, I will use ChatGPT. and top funny titles. So what we can do is we can start posting. I will show you how to post. You can go to post and you can create a new post. And over here, oops, I did it again with tags. And over here we have labels. We'll call these titles, and then I will post the same thing here, and I will click on publish. Now I will do this for all these titles. So this is repeated work. This is how to create the posts. Now I wanted to show you one setting. If you go to settings, if you scroll down, here we have enable search description. Put this to enable so that you get a thing over here. For example, over here now we have the search description field, which will help you to rank on search engines. You can put the search description as well. Okay, you can click on update. The next thing is this one. Next thing is this one. This is how you create posts, pages and posts, guys. I will do one more and I will show you how this looks. You didn't put a label to this. Let's add titles. This is how your blog looks now. Because you don't have a picture, that is not appearing. If you had pictures, it would appear here. Now I will show you some settings. The description is where you put something about the blog. I will put this for description as well. What we did is added a description. Now over here, if we scroll down, we have search description. We will put the meta tags search description as well. That is part of titles is your go-to resource for catchy SEO friendly blog title ideas. Now, with that being done, we can conclude this particular session. I showed you how to create a blog. I showed you how to edit the pages and create the pages. I showed you how to remove the gadgets. I showed you how to, what is this? I showed you how to go ahead and change some things over here. This header we can remove. So that is how you remove things that are not needed for you and go ahead and do things that you want. on the blog. So hope that this was a very informative video for you. And if this video helped you to start your blogging journey, please share this with your friends. Or if you have any questions, please let me know so that I can make more videos for you. Thank you so much for watching.